If you're looking for a weekend away or a one-night break, then come and stay here. This is the Monkwood. Why don't we go and have a look inside it? Right, okay, let me show you what you actually get in this hut now. So this is super comfy. I won't make too much of a mess, I'll get told off. King size bed. You've got your telly there if you want to sit in bed, relax. And that does come with Netflix and the Wi-Fi, so it's really good. Around here, you'll have to just have a quick squeeze around there. You've got your little bedside lights if you do want those. And then here, obviously, you've got your seating area. Just behind us here, you've got some storage if you want to bring anything to hang up if you are going out for a night. And then here you've got this little log burner. This is a Hobbit log burner, but it gets really cosy at night. Then here, this does have a full-size kitchen. So you've got a nice fridge in there if you want to bring any bottles or anything. Sink, you know, you've got all the bits to make your teas, coffees. Hob, full-size oven in there. And then all your cooking facilities, you know, pots, pans, anything you want in there. Then we move to the best bit, the bath. How can you not love that? And the view out there, you can see, just have a look. Hang on, let's show you. That is super nice. This bath fits too. It's super comfy in there. And as I say, it is really relaxing. It's absolutely peaceful. It's not like a hot tub where you can hear the noise. Once the bath's full, it will literally just stay warm because this bath will insulate it to keep it warm for you. If you are cooking, this is the perfect area. Table for two. Doesn't get any better than that. And then, of course, you've got Jack's Tuck Shop, where he just tries to provide you all the naughty bits, but they are yummy. Right, this hut, you can stay weekends, which is a 2-night minimum, or if you're just looking for a one-night stay, you can stay Sunday to Thursday, one night, no problem at all. Well, we're still the inside. Why don't I show you what's outside as well now? So follow me and let's go and have a look. This hut has an outside decking area, and obviously it's got the table for two. So if you do want to eat outside, you can easily eat outside. And then, of course, you have the view, which is absolutely amazing, and the quiet. And also, if you don't want to cook indoors, we do supply barbecues as well, so you can cook outdoors. If you just want to come away for a weekend break, a one-night stay, however many nights you want to stop, you can just come, shut off from the world, and just have a cosy, romantic break. If you don't want to do that, you can go walking. There are so many walks straight out the front gates. Or if you fancy a little bit more nightlife, something different, then Worcester's 7 miles away from us. And there are lots of different places that you can eat in Worcester city centre. And also lots of different things to do in Worcester town centre.